to Burton College. Today we're going to be preparing an Easter Rocky Road with Easter on the horizon. So we've got some mini eggs, mini marshmallows, some chopped up crunchy, some broken digestive biscuits, and I've also got some dark chocolate, some milk chocolate, some butter, some golden syrup, all melted in my bowl over a pan of simmering water. So I've just turned that off for the moment, but that's melted. In here I've tripled the recipe because we're going to treat the students to some homemade Rocky Road. But if you were doing it just a single recipe, you would need 200 grams of dark chocolate, 200 grams of milk chocolate, 50 grams of butter and a tablespoon of golden syrup. And simply just melt that over a pan of simmering water. Try not to get the bowl to touch the water, it may be too intense, and start to bake the chocolate. And then all we're going to do is remove that from the heat. And then I'm going to place this into a fridge. Take about 3 hours just to chill, set, and then we'll be able to cut that into squares and start to eat. So there you have it, Easter Rocky Road. Maybe something you'll try this Easter. Treat yourselves. Enjoy.